In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Pipedrive marketing campaigns. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or just looking to optimize your marketing efforts, this guide will help you get started, efficiently tracking and managing your campaigns in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the Pipedrive homepage. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Pipedrive. Once you're there, you should see options that allow you to get a comprehensive view of your sales and pipeline management tools. Pipedrive has designed this platform to make it easy for you to keep track of everything from leads to closed deals, ensuring your workflow remains organized and effective. Next, you'll want to log into your account. This is a crucial step as it gives you access to your personalized dashboard. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. There's an option to reset it right on the login page. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Pipedrive home. This is your central hub for all things related to your sales pipeline and marketing campaigns. From your home page, you should see a section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to manage all your current and past marketing efforts. The Campaigns section is incredibly useful because it provides you with a detailed history of all the campaigns you've run. This way, you can analyze their performance and gain insights into what works best for your business. Now, once you're inside the Campaign section, direct your attention to Automated Campaigns. This is a powerful feature in Pipedrive that enables you to automate certain marketing tasks, freeing up your time to focus on other areas of your business. Automated campaigns can assist in keeping your audience engaged without requiring constant oversight. And there you have it. You can now successfully track your marketing campaigns within Pipedrive. By following these simple steps, you'll have set up a system that allows you to monitor your marketing performance efficiently. Remember, the key to successful marketing lies not just in launching campaigns, but also in analyzing and understanding the results. With these insights, you'll be equipped to fine-tune your strategy and achieve even greater success with future campaigns. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to mention them in the comments below. Best of luck with your marketing efforts in Pipedrive. I look forward to seeing your campaigns thrive.